Identifying rough diamonds can be challenging, especially for beginners. While professional gemologists use specialized tools, there are simple tests you can perform at home. One effective method is the heat test, which takes advantage of a diamond's exceptional thermal properties. Understanding the heat test. Diamonds have high thermal conductivity, meaning they can quickly disperse heat without damage. This property distinguishes them from many imitation stones, which may crack, discolor, or react differently under heat. The heat test is non-destructive if done carefully, but it requires caution to avoid accidents or damaging other materials. Materials needed: a lighter or candle, tweezers, a cup of cold water, safety gloves, and eye protection. Steps to perform the heat test. 1. Hold the rough diamond carefully. Use tweezers to securely hold the rough diamond. Never touch it directly with your hands, as it can get hot. 2. Apply heat. Place the diamond over a flame for about 30 to 60 seconds. Do not overheat it. Rough diamonds can withstand heat, but excessive exposure can cause risk if impurities exist. 3. Immerse in cold water. Immediately drop the heated diamond into cold water. Real diamonds are extremely resilient to sudden temperature changes and should not crack or shatter. 4. Observe the results. Real diamond will remain intact with no visible cracks or damage. Fake diamond or glass, likely to crack, shatter, or discolor due to poor heat resistance. Safety tips. Always wear safety gloves and eye protection. Perform the test away from flammable materials. Avoid repeated heating of the same stone. Limitations. Some synthetic diamonds or high-quality cubic zirconia may resist heat similarly, so the heat test alone is not 100% conclusive. For absolute certainty, combine the heat test with other methods like scratch tests, weight tests, or professional gemological examination. Conclusion. The heat test is a simple and practical method to identify rough diamonds at home. By leveraging a diamond's natural ability to withstand high temperatures, you can distinguish many fake stones quickly. Always prioritize safety, and for high-value diamonds, consider professional verification.